This, this is parliamentary dictation with the speed of 80 words taken from previous year SSC Grade D Steno examination year 2024. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. For employment by the unemployed youth, the government should abolish immediately all kinds of fees for tests and interviews which are to be sent along with the application forms for employment by the unemployed youth. The government should abolish it. Do not think of providing job in terms of annual or monthly salary. It is time we must create and give emphasis to self-employment programs. Bank support to the self-employment program has been drastically cut down by this government. Where will the unemployed you go? During our period, subsidy support for the public sector banks for self-employment project was a total strength to the unemployed youth, but it has been drastically cut down. Today, the unemployed young men cannot say that they go to the bank, get the project and come back. Today, on the one hand, the Honorable Prime Minister is telling that the will provide 1 crore jobs and justify it by giving only 60 to 70 lakh jobs. On the other hand, the Honorable Minister is making a different statement in the House. In this, the way to run the government. The present government is not very keen on checking the unemployment problem. It must initiate some schemes to contain the problem. Soft bank loans should be provided to the youth to start their own business. In addition, training programs for short-term skills should be imparted to the unemployed youth. There are lots of institutes which offer training to youths for various programs. With liberalization, more and more companies are coming to India. They offer job opportunities to skilled workers. It is good for our country and the unemployed youth. Sir, I have no hesitation in accepting that the situations improving but with low pace. The most important thing is that government machinery should be more sincere in implementing different schemes and programs for improving employment opportunities. Education should be made job oriented. Stop.